Welcome back. I am N.S. Lavanya, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to explain the summary of Gatesman Gift. This is a part of the syllabus, Foundation English, prescribed by University of Madras for all the UG courses. In Gatesman's Gift by R.K. Narayan, we have the theme of fear, paralysis, insecurity, suffering, social opinion, pride and identity. Taken from his Malgudi Days collection, the story is narrated in the third person by an unnamed narrator, and after reading the story, the reader realizes that Narayan may be exploring the theme of fear. Singh lives in fear of opening the registered letter that has been sent to him. So crippling is Singh's fear that he believes himself to be going mad. Though the logical thing to do would be to open the letter and discover whether the letter holds good or bad news, Singh is not able to do this. It is also interesting that Singh loses interest in his clay modeling because of the fear he feels over the letter. This loss of interest is important as it highlights just how overpowering the fear is for Singh. It is also interesting that Singh never thinks about just getting over what may be in the letter if the contents of the letter are of a bad nature. It is as though he would rather not know whether the letter contains good or bad news. If anything, there is a sense of paralysis in the story. Singh is unable to move forward as long as he leaves the letter unopened. Rather, he believes himself to be going mad based solely on the opinions of others, which may suggest that Singh may be somewhat insecure about his identity. The fact that some of Singh's clay models are copies of his old work environment may also be important, as it suggests that Singh remembers with fondness his time as a gateman. It may also be insignificant that Singh fears he may have upset his old boss by bringing the models into the pension office when Singh was collecting his pension, as this suggests that Singh still respects his old boss and does not wish to upset him. Singh's respect for his old boss is mirrored by his boss' respect for him. Something that is noticeable when the accountant opens the letter for Singh and the reader realizes that Singh's old boss admires all his clay models, admires them so much that he has given him an extra 100 rupees. There is also no doubt that Singh suffers because of his fear throughout the story. However, Singh's wife also suffers, and after the letter arrives and remains unopened, she is careful. So careful that she stays out of Singh's way. It might also be a case that Narayan is exploring the theme of pride. Singh is proud of his job as a gateman, while some critics might suggest that his role is at the lower end of the employment scale. Singh does not look at things like that. He is happy to be able to be part of something, to have some responsibility and to get paid for it too. The village that Singh makes that reminds him of his father's village also appears to be one clay model that Singh is most proud of. It is as though the model of the village is part of Singh's identity. It is revealed in the story. Yet he destroys it in a moment of madness, all because of his fear to open the letter. Though it is clear that Singh is not really mad, he does throw stress to things that would be deemed inappropriate. One of these things is the breaking of the bulb, which results in Singh getting arrested, which the reader suspects is out of character for Singh. At no other stage of the story has Singh been in trouble. Here comes the end. In the end, The story is also interesting as Singh, despite the praises of his boss, gives up making clay models. It's difficult to say for certain as to why this might be, but it is possible that Singh is equating the clay modeling to the madness he went through. However, the reader is aware that the real problem for Singh was the fact that he was afraid to open the letter. Singh believes more in living a structured life than a creative one and appears to associate creativity with madness. Thus, the end of the story. Thanks for watching this video.